Hello and welcome to Training with Matt. Today we'll take a look at Dispatch Anywhere. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to enter a call and dispatch a call to our drivers. Calls can come into the dispatch screen two ways. We can manually enter a call, or the call can feed in automatically from TowMagic. In this tutorial, we'll create a call manually. We begin by choosing the Create Job button. The division may be automatically selected. If not, choose the correct division from the dropdown. Next, we can start typing the account name, or use a dropdown to select an account. Once the account is selected, the call screen will be presented. In our example, we are using a dealership account named Bob's Cadillac. We can immediately see this account has fields that are different colors. The yellow fields are required entry fields for our dispatchers. We must fill out these fields at a minimum before we can dispatch this call out to a driver. The orange fields are driver fields. When the driver finishes a call, they'll be prompted to fill out these fields. The pink fields are accounting fields. These fields will need to be filled out before the specific customer can be billed. If the car will be brought back to our impound, we will choose the impound lot in the destination/impound field. We can either begin typing the name of the impound lot or choose it from the drop-down menu. Once the call information is entered, we need to add a service to the call. Every call must have at least one service. We will add a tow service and mileage to this call. We can either start typing the service out or choose the service from the drop-down menu. Once we have the correct service, click the plus sign to add that service to the call. Next, we will choose the mileage service. Any service that has been configured as a mileage calculator, we can use a calculator icon to automatically find the distance. Once we click the calculator icon, we get a box showing the addresses and the calculated distance. If the distance is correct, we will choose OK and click the plus sign to add that service to the call. This call is now ready to be dispatched. Once we choose Save and Close at the top, this will bring us back to our dispatch screen, and we can send this call out to our driver. On the dispatch screen, the call will be in our waiting section. If we click the waiting section, we will see all of our calls that still need to be dispatched. We can also click on the division name and see all the calls that are either waiting, assigned, or holding. To dispatch a call, we have two options. We can manually drag the driver over to the call, or highlight the call and click the Assign button on the toolbar. I will show you the drag and drop option first. We will drag the driver's name that we want onto this call. We are presented with the Assign window. If the driver has already been assigned a vehicle, it will automatically show. If the driver doesn't have a vehicle assigned, you will need to choose one first, and then the Assign button will appear at the bottom. We simply press the Assign button, and the driver will get notification that they have a new job. The second option is to assign the call to a driver using the Assign button on the toolbar. We first highlight the call we want to dispatch and click the Assign button. Using this option will take us onto a recommended dispatch mode. In the screen, we can sort our drivers by best ETA, round robin, longest idle, and the most fuel efficient. This window will show us the number of jobs the driver is assigned to, their job progression, and a straight line distance to the job. If the driver is already assigned to a job, it will show the distance from their final destination from the previous call. Once we select the driver, we simply press Assign and the driver gets the call. The call moves to our Assign section and we can manage our calls here. This screen will show the driver status of each call. The timestamps will change as the driver updates the call. If you need to update any call information, double-click that call, update the information, and save the call again. Any updates on the call will notify the driver automatically. This concludes our training on creating a call and dispatching it out to a driver. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe for future videos. If you have any comments or concerns or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.